welcome back to my channel guys. Today's a very exciting video because I'm doing a little collaboration with Zelo. They kindly sent me 7 pairs of sunglasses to try on for you guys. I'm super excited because some of these are so freaking cute. Alright, so this is the little packaging. I already had a little sneak peek and I couldn't wait to make this video, so I was like, I need to show you guys. Alright, so we're going to take out the first pair. I'm going to give you some details on it and we're going to try them on. The first pair of sunglasses is the Minguella one. It is got a nice taut shell and they are super oversized and fun. So this is what it looks like. If you guys didn't know, I do use prescription glasses when I read or when I go on my phone because I do need them. But guys, how cute is this? Such a fun look. I will give this one a 9 out of 10. I'm honestly obsessed with this style. Right, so the next pair of sunglasses is the Cordaro. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but these are honestly one of my favorites. I think the quality of these glasses are insane, guys. Like, you need to see them in person. They are so nice and sturdy and they just sit so well on my face. But I think I'm going to give this one a 10 out of 10. I honestly love this so much. What do you guys think? Please let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. The next pair is the Boden. It's also got a taut shell with some blue and yellow in there. I personally don't go for fun colored glasses, but I actually don't mind this on the days I'm wearing like a basic outfit. I guess I can kind of like spice it up. What do you guys think? It's not my favorite pair, just color wise, but the quality and feel of these glasses and like the style, so obsessed. Okay, we're on to our fourth pair. These are the Roke, and I hope I'm pronouncing that one correct as well. I am honestly so obsessed with these. They're nice and clear. So if you like basic glasses and you don't want anything out there, these, honestly, this pairs well with any outfit. Look how good it looks. Guys, I honestly can't stop. Love these. Right, and we have Mrs. Benitez, also a taut shell with blue at the bottom. These are some fun little glasses to spice up your outfit. I honestly love the thick frame, the style of these glasses. They are super fun. I will give these a 7 out of 10 as well. Guys, while I'm unboxing and looking at these sunglasses, the quality of these are so good. I highly recommend you check out their website. Really nice sunglasses. Second last pair, these are the Brandons. I love these glasses so much. They're so fun and oversized, but this would look so good if you had your hair tied up. What do you guys think of these ones? And we are down to our last pair. These are the Katons. I think this is one of my favorites. I know I've said that to all of them, but these are just really nice and simple. It has a thin black frame. This will suit anything, but I'm honestly obsessed with all the sunglasses I've gotten. What do you guys think? Please let me know which ones were your favorite. And if you haven't checked out Zelo, I highly recommend go to their website. I'll link it at the bottom. And guys, that is all the glasses I got from Zelo. If you haven't checked out their website, I highly recommend. They do prescription and sunglasses. And I've got a 10% coupon code for you guys. It is Shima, SHIMA. And I'll also leave it linked below. But that is all for today. And I hope you guys have a nice week. Bye guys.